Good afternoon to all and namaste to my dear respected teachers and my dear friends. It's me Prasan Tamang from Ramechhap here to study at Worldwide Institute, which is situated in Logankhel. About myself is that I like to play some football and also do some music career, but most importantly I love to do some cooking. For that I have come to the WIHM, which is Worldwide Institute, which is situated in Logankhel. They have the facilities that give me to become the successor of my future and also to provide my basic need, which is to go abroad for the earning, and also they given us the jobs that we need in the Nepal also. And for the facilities which are, they teach us the many different types of cuisine, which are Indian, European and also Italian and Chinese, which is very good, and the teacher and all the people around here is very supportive. Thank you.